In this video, you'll learn how to use a voucher on Wecasa for both new and existing bookings. This guide will walk you through the necessary steps to ensure your discount is applied correctly during the booking process. To begin, launch the Wecasa app on your device or visit the Wecasa website. Once you are on the homepage, look for the option Start a New Booking. This is typically found prominently displayed on the main screen. Selecting this option will take you to the booking form where you can choose the services you need. After selecting your desired services, you will be directed to the booking form. Here, locate the field labeled promo code. This field is usually positioned near the bottom of the form. Enter your voucher code accurately into this field to ensure that it is recognized by the system. After entering the code, the discount will apply automatically, and you should see the adjusted total reflected in the booking summary. If you are looking to use a voucher for an existing booking, the process is slightly different. First, navigate to your customer account on the Wecasa website by clicking on the login option if you're not already signed in. Once logged in, find your upcoming session listed in your account dashboard. This section will display all your scheduled appointments. Next, click on the option labeled Add Promo Code associated with your upcoming session. A new field will appear where you can enter your voucher code. Input the code carefully, ensuring there are no mistakes, and then click the Save button to confirm the addition of the promo code. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the promo code has been successfully saved. It is crucial to remember a few important notes while using vouchers. Ensure you enter the code before your session starts, as it cannot be applied retroactively once the invoice is issued. Each code can only be used once per booking, and you must use the same email address associated with your Wecasa account to ensure that the code is valid. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.